So hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I am going to show you Task Manager in Google Chrome. So friend, this is very unique tutorial. Today I am going to share with you guys how you can manage task on Google Chrome. So friend, here we are going to open Task Manager. So what you will do, simply click on this three dot icon which is available on the top right hand on the top. You can simply click on this three dot icon, so you will get this pop-up box, and simply here you can see more tools. Just click on that, so you will get these options. Here you can see Task Manager. So friend, here you can open this Task Manager by two methods. You can use your keyboard shortcut like Shift and Escape, then this pop-up will come, or you can directly click here, so you will get this Task Manager Google Chrome. Okay, so friend, here what you will know about what things this Task Manager is showing you. Here you can see which browser or which extension or which website is taking too much memory from your Google Chrome browser, so you can easily delete that page or untask that page, so your browser will speed up automatically. Okay, so friend, here right now I'm going to open 2 or 3 websites, so you will get the perfect idea how it is working. Okay, so friend, right now I'm going to open, for example, yahoo.com, and another website I'm going to open like, and some other website also we can use like Mashable. So friend, here you can see right now I have 3 websites which is open into my Google Chrome browser, and I want to know how much memory these websites are taking. So friend, here you can see, for example, this is YouTube and it is taking this value of the memory from your computer, and this is also, you can see, this is the yahoo.com, and yahoo.com is taking this type of memory from your browser. Okay, and this is the Mashable, and they are taking these memories. Okay, if you want to and task, then what you will do, simply select the website which is taking too much memory. You not want to open that website, or they are working in background and taking too much memory from your computer and your browser is going down, then you can use these things, right? So here we are going to select this one, tab Mashable India, and we are going to click and task. So friend, here you can see on the top Mashable India's total going down. Okay, so these memories is not using right now. For example, we are going to take another example. For example, here you can see this. Here you can see YouTube is taking too much memory, so I'm going to simply select this YouTube tab and simply click on this blue and process. So what happened, YouTube will close all the memories will free, so your browser will speed up working. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can use and task and speed up your Google Chrome browser. So I hope friend you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and also share with your friends and family, so they can also learn about these things, how to use Task Manager in Google Chrome. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.